So, financial security is very important to me. And it's because when I asked myself why on multiple occasions, and I got to like the sixth or the seventh, why am I doing this? Good morning, Overcomer Nation. It's your boy John. How you guys doing? Hey, I wanted to make this video because I'm on my way over to one of my job sites, and I beat the sun up this morning, so it's been very meditation this morning, just kind of thinking and driving to this location. And I started to realize, like, there's days that you're gonna want to give up. There's days that you aren't going to want to do this. I do this because I want to be somebody successful, and not everybody is going to want to do this every single day. I mean, you hear a lot of people talk about doing stuff that they don't want to do, right? Well, I do stuff that I don't want to do every day. And unfortunately, the way that business is wired is to you got to do things that you don't want to do. I wish you can just do things that you want to do every single day, but it just doesn't work that way. Or maybe I'm just impatient and I want to be able to, make a profit or do something right away. Just like anybody else, I gotta have a reason why. I gotta know, why am I doing this? Why am I grinding? Why am I showing up every day? Why am I cleaning every single day? Why am I taking on these big projects every day? I want a better life for myself. I want a better life for my family. I want to create structure in my life. I asked myself one day, why do I do what I do? Well, you want to have security for your life, John. That's what it was. I wanted to have security for my life, for my family. I never wanted to struggle. Obviously there's going to be struggles, and obviously I'm going to deal with some bullshit, but for the most part, I want to be able to be like, dude, I got this. My life is pretty good. I can pay my bills. I can take care of my family. Financial abundance, financial security is very important to me. And it's important to me and my family. And so if you're showing up every day to something maybe that isn't what you want it to be, it's not perfect. Your job's not perfect. Your business is not perfect. Your what you thought is not perfect. It's okay. It's okay, man. It doesn't need to be perfect. Think of it as a stepping stone, okay? Every business that I've ever started, every business that I've ever done, not just business, but job, every job I've ever done, I've given it 100%. And for some strange reason, every time that I have done my business this way or gone and got a good job this way, okay? It's taken me to the next level because I've given it 100%. Like if I was cleaning, or not cleaning, but if I was working at a fast food restaurant, I would give it 100%. If I was making wieners, if I was fucking making fries, right? All of that kind of stuff. It's interesting, it's interesting, but I've always given it 100%. And I'm not bragging about it. I'm not saying, hey, look, look at me. I'm trying to see, how does this bring you value? And the way I think it's going to bring you value is right now, there's probably one of you guys out there that, you're working a job, or you started your own business, you're doing your own deal, and things are not working out the way you thought they were.